चरण मल्लिक आम आप जानते 23 तारीख दिन भिन्नक्षम लोक मान गोटे सम्मेलन ये जो ओडिशा विकास चरण जी थैलासेमिया ग्रुप को बिलंग करती आपने जानते ना राइट्स ऑफ पर्सन्स डिसेबिलिटी एक्ट 2016 मसीह आम देश में आसी जो 21 प्रकार अक्षमता को रिकग्निशन देते थैलासेमिया इज वन ऑफ द ग्रुप्स जर्नलिस्ट जो रिप्रेजेंट दैट ग्रुप जो अच्छे रिकमेंडेशन फ्री
नमस्कार मैं नाचना मलिक आज आपको इंट्रोडक्शन ऑलरेडी दिया है आई एम थैलेसेमिक पेशेंट 25 वर्ष है रक्तहीनता रोग पीड़ित एवं न्यूली कंट्रोल रिजल्ट आम थैलेसेमिया को ऐड कराई जेहेतु आम जन्मगत अपंग बोली हेरिडिटी बेस आम डिजाबिलिटी पर्सन सो आम मान का जो 23 तारीख दिन में ओडिशा विकास कॉन्क्लेव लगी जो रिकमेंडेशन आम आवश्यकता आम परिचय तो आमको मिल सारी आम आवश्यकता ता विषय में आप समस्त अनुरोध आवेदन करुच्ची ध्यान दि जाओ आम आवश्यकता कौन Below are the recommendations made by people with disability for the discussion on women's and violence, considering specific need of WD under domestic violence such as assist, device, social and cultural participation, adolescence and hygienic needs, sexual violence, its workplace violence, equally recognition, remuneration, incivility and employer of WDD, violence at public place, specific assistance to the survivor if needed, sensation to service providing institution on the specific need of WD and inclusive. No WD will be denied service on the basic disability. Specific livelihood attention to WD during displacement, communal violence, make the system accessible to WD. Social justice system to be made accessible and sensible to the issue of WD. Policy judiciary must be maintained. Compensation to disaster women with disability under Victim Compensation Act. Thank you for giving us an opportunity and so we are thankful for it.
Thank you, Jana. I think what we really need to know that what me and what Jana said, that there are groups among us who are have much more violence against them, and they have no space to even go and report. In a police station, when a woman who is dead goes, there is no one to with a sign interpreter or to listen to her. So these are things I think that is good that she came, and it can be part of the conclave to report later as to what are the kinds of violence that are taking place and what can we do to change. Now coming back to the questions, give us your name. Yeah.
I'll just pick up from 2 sentences. My name is Ranjana Pandey Panigrahi. I am in Odisha since last 8 years working with the development sector. I'll just pick 2 statements from what Amrita Ma'am said and what Ashanti Ma'am said. Ashanti Ma'am said, it's time to make public what is happening. Amrita Ma'am says, it's time to trigger change from within. Now here we have a group of women and men. I have just 3 questions which will answer my question. So if you allow me, I'll just ask them. Just be honest. Please do not lie. There is no point lying. Right? हमारे घरों में, as a woman, right? And as a man, are we aware of the taboos, the discrimination that happens against women? Are we aware? Aware? Okay. During menstruation, please raise your hands if you know or if you do not do it yourself. You are not allowed to enter the kitchen. If anyone allowed. ऐसा कोई भी इस ग्रुप में है जो किचन में अलाउड नहीं है मेंस्ट्रुएशन के समय, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. I have just one man saying this, but believe me, this is not the reality. Third question, this is the last. डिलीवरी होती है घरों में, बहनों की, भाभीयों की, बच्चों की, first 11 days of the child and the mother. I would like to see if there is anyone in this room who will say that these 11 days the woman is considered pure and is allowed to touch anything that she touches. She is? Okay. Is anyone who believes that she is not? 30 days. Okay. She says it's 30 days. I knew of first 11 days compulsorily because I have seen it. I was fortunate my mother never did it to me. But in Odisha, I have seen it. Within educated families, at least 11 days, the people are not allowed to touch the mother and the child. And if they do, they have to take a shower. So, if there is untouchability at this level, we have talked about physical violence, emotional violence, and economic violence, systemic violence, domestic violence. But we found no space for this psychological violence that is still prevailing in our households. हमारे घरों में आज भी है. What is the impact that this working woman, as me, I did not face it, I have fought it out. But what is the impact that this woman, जो आज पढ़ के जा रही है, नौकरी कर रही है,